What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Breaking Raw News today. That is September 5th, Canon announced its first full-frame mirrorless camera, the Canon EOS R. Part of the all-new Canon R system, the Canon EOS R is the first model in the system. So today in this video we'll discuss about the preview of Canon EOS R and how it's works. So watch this video till the end and put your thoughts in the comment sections below after watching this video. Keep watching. So just 2 weeks after Nikon announced its first full-frame mirrorless camera, the Z6 and the Z7, Canon has officially unveiled the EOS R, which is the first ever full-frame mirrorless camera of the Canon. The announcement was made at an event held in Tokyo, Japan. The camera has a new RF mount, which means we also have a new series of lenses that were also announced. The EOS R will be available in the October for an estimated price of $2,299, roughly in Indian rupees 1,57,700 rupees just for the body, which undercuts the Nikon Z6 and put it more in the line with the Sony a7 III. Canon will also be offering a bundle for $3,399, roughly around Indian rupees 2,33,300, which comes with the RF 24 to 105 mm f4 IS USM kit lens. The basic highlights of this camera is it features 30.3 megapixel sensors, uses the new RF mount. It has a dual pixel autofocus system which also present in the Canon 5D Mark IV, captured the 4K video and also had an articulating touchscreen. The Canon EOS R will be available in October. The new EOS R boasts of a 30.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor with the Canon framed dual pixel autofocus technology, as well as it also has the eye autofocus technology and its DigiKate image processors. That means it includes the newest technology in the image processing system. The ISO range is quite good too, ranging from 100 to 40,000 with 8 fps continuous shooting and maximum shutter speed of 1/8000 of second, as well as it has also includes bulb mode. The camera also supports 4K video recording up to 30 fps and 1080p recording up to 60 fps and HD recording up to 120 fps. That means you can do a slow motion video for in HD mode. The camera also has a silent shooting mode, but only for the single frame shooting. Silent shooting in burst mode will be coming in the future via software update, maybe. One of the major highlights of the EOS R is the massive 5,655 selectable autofocus points compared to 493 autofocus point on Nikon's top-end Z7 and 693 autofocus point on Sony's flagship A9 full-frame mirrorless camera. This should give the EOS R a big advantage when it comes to tracking first moving subject. You get a EVF with a 3.69 million dot resolutions as well as a 3.2-inch fully articulating touch display with a resolution of 2.1 million dots. The new EOS R features a new touch bar right next to the EVF, which Canon says allows user to more easily access the customizable settings such as autofocus, ISO and white balance. The camera has a built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and a single UHS to SD card slot and a dust and weather resistant body that weighs around 580 grams. The EOS R will be compatible with all the Canon's EF and EFS lenses through the respective adapters. Canon also launched 4 new lenses in this event, which include RF 24 to 105 mm f4L IS, RF 50 mm f1.2L, RF 28 to 70 mm f2L and the RF 35 mm f1.8 IS macro lens. The company also announced a new app called Digital Photo Professional Express for the Apple iPad, which will let users edit CR3 RAW files on their tablet. This will be available in October. An ISO range of 100 to 40,000 with extended ISO options up to 51,200 to 1,02,400. And like the 5D Mark IV, the EOS R has a 1.7x crop factor when shooting video. Canon has chosen to implement a single SD card slot as the means of storing images, addition that's likely to draw criticism akin to what Nikon has been experiencing for the single XQD card slot in its Z6 and Z7 cameras. Obviously, it's not expected from Canon to having a single card slot. They have done these mistakes previously in Canon 60 Mark II. The same mistakes had done in this segment, that is in mirrorless segment, that is Canon EOS R system. See, professional photographers are always looking for the dual card slot. They never go with the single card slot. Let me tell you something that, being a professional photographer, sometimes it's been very risky to having a single card slot. The memory card can be corrupted at any time, so it is preferable to having a second card slot so that you can have the backup of your captured images or videos. So these things is pretty much cons of this EOS R system. Apart from that, it has a very good positive saying is that for blogging purpose this camera is very good, as this is the first mirrorless camera in this segment which provides the fully articulating touch screen. That means a lot. I mean, neither Nikon or Sony provide this articulating touch screen, so this is a plus point. Again, number of focusing point is a plus point of this camera. Negative point is having a single card slot. Okay, the diameter of the lens mount is 54 mm. Okay, that's all guys. That's all for Canon EOS R mirrorless camera, which have been provided. The information provided in the offline system, I have given you the same information. Nothing is new, as it's not in India and we doesn't have ability to having a hand-on experience on this camera right now at this moment. So let's just wait how it comes in the market. And these are the all previews of Canon EOS R system. The company may change something when it comes to the market. So and we hope for the best. Let's just wait and watch, and keep watching, keep supporting. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So tell us about thoughts in the comment section below, that how you feels about this camera, what kind of changes you need to be in the camera, and what you expect from Canon in the next mirrorless camera.